Hey, it's Michael, and I want to thank Slate Royce for sending me a sample of their Acacia Wood Spatula Set. Also comes with a spoon. Why is acacia so desirable and cool? Well, it's sustainable. And what does that even mean? Well, it means that it is fast growing. It grows in areas that have poor soil. It doesn't require a lot of maintenance. So those are just some of the reasons that they consider acacia sustainable wood. Now let's just take a look at this set. So yes, these are spatulas. This is a 9-inch spatula. This is an 11-inch spatula. These are two 13-inch spatulas, and then they give you a really nice serving spoon here. Now the spatulas have a pretty sharp edge on them. You know, for a wood spatula, acacia wood is very durable. It's hard. If you take care of it, it's going to be very long lasting. And how do you take care of acacia wood? Well, do not wash these in the dishwasher. Of course, it's wood, but just hand wash them. I would highly recommend that you oil them with mineral oil, and I'm going to do that in just a moment here just to show you how to do that. Actually, today is mineral oil day for all my wood cutting boards. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I usually put down a couple of paper towels. Mineral oil is very easy to clean up. It's a very lightweight oil, so you don't really need any special, you don't really have to do anything too special with it. Some people like to use a rag to apply it, but I actually just like to use my hand, and it's just very organic that way. And all you have to do is just basically squirt some oil on there, and then just get your hand and you want to rub it equally, just sort of get it all over. Don't worry about if you have too much on there. You can transfer it over to one of the other wood pieces here, but you want it really wet and you want it saturated. So just apply it like this, very easy. And just make sure you don't miss any spots. This will actually absorb into the wood over the course of hours. I usually let them sit for a day with the oil on there. If there's a lot of excess, but just get a rag, or you could probably even use a paper towel, and you'll wipe off the excess if there is any, and there will be a little bit. But again, just let these sit for overnight, probably would be ideal, and check them in the morning, and then redo this. You know, you could do it every month, every couple months. The more you use them, the more often you should probably treat them with the mineral oil. This is going to help protect the wood from absorbing moisture, and it also just gives it a very nice look. So these should look wet. They actually are wet with the oil, and that's all you have to do. And I'll leave a link in the description for some mineral oil if you want to order it off of Amazon. It's very easy to do when you order your spatulas. They're great for non-stick pans if you still use them. Actually, I've switched over pretty much to cast iron for most of my cooking, and these will work on that well. It's great for the smaller ones. You can use this for chopping up hamburger or just stirring stuff in your pans. You can flip pancakes with the larger one that's a little bit wider. They're just very versatile and multi-purpose. And like I said, I use these for salad tongs. I just think they look beautiful and they're really great. So thanks to Slate Royce, this is a beautiful set of spatulas made of acacia. I hope you found this helpful, and we'll catch you the next time. Take care.